Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how easy it is to reset your Nintendo Switch 2 to factory settings. You might be doing this because you might be selling it, you might be giving it on to someone, or you might have set it up incorrectly from the beginning and you didn't transfer the data from your Switch 1 onto your Switch 2. So this is how you do it. You need to go down to System Settings, and we need to go all the way down to System, and we need to go all the way down to Formatting Options. And then we need to go down here to Restore Factory Settings. Then go to Next. And then after a few seconds, this red bar will light up here, so you can't hit it accidentally. And it says, once the console has been restored to factory settings, the deleted data cannot be recovered. Are you sure you want to continue? Remember, it's putting it back to factory settings, but it's not going to get rid of any updates that it did. So it's not the exact same as leaving the factory. Restore factory settings. It says factory settings restored. So there we go. It reset itself and then it turned itself off. So now this is ready to give away, sell, or turn on yourself to set it up. So now pretend you're doing this for yourself or you've given it to someone else. When you turn it back on, you're going to see now that it's the same as when you set it up from the beginning. There you go, and you can hear that setup music. So that's it. That's how to factory reset the Nintendo Switch 2. Nice and straightforward. Thanks for watching.